Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Natha Anderson, and I am proud to say that I am a public school teacher. Currently, I'm serving as president of the Washoe Education Association, so I'm representing WEA as well as the Nevada State Education Association today. Great job, first of all. I think as an educator right now, I'm standing up here to just also relay how important our counselors are to our students and also to our teachers. It's not our profession, as many of you already know. It's very easy for us to go into a classroom, into an office, and then just deal with the student one-to-one. And yet it is a team environment. The question that was asked of what's the difference between a counselor, a school psychologist, and a social worker, and that answer is so important because there's so many different ways to build a brain. And there's so many different ways to build a student's ability to confront the world and to see the positives in it, especially when, as you so beautifully stated, and unfortunately had to state, our students are faced with many negatives. And as many adults as we can get to actually show that they care, the better they will feel, not only about themselves, but the more committed they will be to education. And that's why I just wanted to step up and say that we support what our school counselors are doing, and it's my honor and pleasure to be able to report that out. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll go.